Reports suggest that Mary Chiwenga was afforded an opportunity to meet with her daughter for the first time in so many years. And that was facilitated by the wife of Vice President Chiwenga, the current wife of Vice President Chiwenga. And that alone is a brilliant move from the side of General Chiwenga, because Minnie is proving to be the opposite of Mary, is proving to be the opposite of Auxilia, because we have seen social media is awash with praises everywhere. So where there is a wrong and you come or you bring a right, you take credit. That is what Minnie is doing. So Minnie is actually seizing each and every opportunity to make sure that she corrects the path of General Chiwenga, or she tries to portray a better image of herself as the first lady of this Republic of Zimbabwe. So remember, power struggles are at play, and a lot is happening so as to make sure that Chiwenga becomes more relevant within ZANU-PF and without. That is the key agenda. So right now, by facilitating this reunion, this is a great move. So you could see the happiness, the joy in the picture, which is right there on the screen, on the face of Mary and the daughter. You can see that these people were very, very happy to be reconnected. And that is what a lot of people have been asking for. So even though Mary does not have access to health elsewhere so far, but at least it's better that she reunited with her daughter. So what we still need to understand is it that she met this one only, or she met all of them? So we need to look at that, later on. But for now, it seems as if Minnie Baloyi is actually doing a great job to clean the image of Vice President Chiwenga. So, a lot of people have been hoping that you need leadership to have a solid woman behind these people who are in leadership, a woman who understands what must happen. And Minnie is proving to be one of that great women who are actually doing really great things. So when you look at her social media presence, she's there coming in as a mother figure to a lot of people, and she's inspiring a lot, and that counts politically. When you're talking about politics, that alone it counts a lot, because that gives VP Chiwenga a lot of credit at the end of the day. So, in as much as we disagree with ZANU-PF people on this one, she's spot on, because she's actually creating something better, a better legacy for herself than vamwe vese vatiri kuziva vaya. So this is what we have for you. According to the reports, online reports, Minnie Chiwenga organized for a family reunion of between Mary and her children. That is the information which is on this online. I'm not so sure if she manages to meet all her children, but she managed to meet part of her family. That is according to the pictures which we have seen. She was with the daughter, so you could see the happiness, you could see the faces. And if that is a legacy for Minnie, she's doing great, and she's actually running around. So this is what we have for you, and we'll continue to look at what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, especially these days, ways ZANU-PF factional battles are taking Zimbabwe towards a new direction, and the de-ZANUification program is happening.